This is a conclusions question and we have to find the primary point of disagreement between opponents of the decision and the board member. There is no conclusion in the argument and the missing link is not required. Our broad expectation from the correct answer choice is that it should be something on the lines of the main point of disagreement on whether these particular varieties of trees will be liked by most students. Answer choice A. The argument doesn't suggest anything about conferring with the students and whether doing so is practical. The point of disagreement between the two parties is whether these particular varieties of trees will be liked by most students. So this answer choice does not indicate the main point of disagreement. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B. The argument discusses willow and cypress trees and makes no suggestion regarding fir trees. So this answer choice is out of scope. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C. The argument mentions the views of two parties. One party is the opponents of this particular decision and the other party is a member of the university board. And it is the member of the university board who says that other such trees planted by the landscaper in other universities have been well received by students of those universities. So this answer choice, which talks about these trees planted by the same landscaper have been actually well received in other universities. This particular aspect is discussed only by one party, that is the member of the university board. The argument makes no suggestion regarding what the opponents think about this particular aspect. So it cannot be inferred that this aspect is the primary point of disagreement. Also, the primary point of disagreement is whether these varieties of trees will be liked by most students. In that respect, whether the trees were planted by the same landscaper has no bearing on the argument. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. The argument suggests that the opponents believe that most students are likely to find these varieties of trees unappealing, whereas a member of the university board says that such trees in other universities have been well received by the students of those universities. So the primary point of disagreement is whether the Lexington University students will find these varieties of trees appealing. In other words, the primary point of disagreement is whether most students at Lexington University will find the new graph to their liking, as suggested in this answer choice. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice E. The argument mentions that a member of the university board believes that these trees were well received by the students of other universities and hence these trees will be well received by most students of Lexington University as well. However, the argument doesn't suggest anything about the opponent's view about this reasoning. So this answer choice, which talks about what is liked by students of other universities, this answer choice is an answer choice from the point of view of only one party and hence it cannot be the primary point of disagreement. Also, the party that does actually talk about this aspect talks about the logic that what was well received by other university students will be well received by the students of Lexington University. Whereas this answer choice says that what is well received by Lexington University students will be well received by other university students. So this answer choice reverses the logic even from the point of view of the party that does mention this aspect. Either way, this answer choice is not correct. Let's eliminate this answer choice. D is the correct answer choice.